Hello students. Today I discuss about mitochondria, the cell organelle mitochondria. So what is mitochondria? Mitochondria you know is a cell organelles, is a thread-like structure and double membrane, and it helps for aerobic respiration. This is mitochondria. And who first discovered the mitochondria? First mitochondria discovered Collier in 1880. Okay, the mitochondria first discovered. Then origin of mitochondria. From where mitochondria origin? Origin of mitochondria is cell membrane and nuclear membrane. The number of mitochondria. The number of mitochondria depend on cell activity, মানে সেল কি ধরনের কাজ করছে তার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে mitochondria number. More active cell and dividing cell contain more mitochondria. Prokaryotic cell, in prokaryotic cell absence mitochondria. Okay, then location of mitochondria. Location in cytoplasm, mitochondria present in scatter manner, মানে চারিদিকে ছড়িয়ে বিক্ষিপ্তভাবে চারিদিকে ছড়িয়ে ছিটিয়ে mitochondria থাকে. Okay, then mitochondria is a powerhouse. It is known as powerhouse. Okay, because it supply energy to all parts of the cell. Okay, that's why it is the powerhouse. Then the parts of mitochondria. Mitochondria mainly two membrane is there and two chamber is there. Two membrane and two chamber is there. Okay, two membrane means one outer membrane and one inner membrane. This type of two membrane is there in mitochondria. That's why it is double membrane cell organelle. This inner membrane or outer membrane thick 60 to 80 armstrong. 60 to 80 armstrong. Each membrane thick. And their difference 80, 70 to 80 armstrong. The gap between two membrane. Okay. The outer membrane contain less amount of protein, but one type of protein is there. It is called porine. It is called porine. And the outer membrane outside contain some round structure like this. Some round structure. It is called Person subunit. It is called Person subunit. Okay, its diameter is 60 armstrong. Diameter is 60 armstrong. And the inner membrane is folded. Inner membrane is folded and form finger-like projection. Folded and form finger-like projection like this. Finger-like projection. Why folded? Because it helps to increase the surface area, and it folded like this. This folded part is called cristae. The folded part is called cristae. Very important. The folded part is called cristae. Okay. Then the cristae also, the inner membrane and inner side contain some tennis racket-like structure. Tennis racket-like structure. It is called oxysome. It is called F1 or oxysome, and it is also called Farandez-Moran subunit. Okay, and this oxysome, the structure is like this. This portion is called head, this portion is called stalk, and this portion is called base. Head, top and base. The diameter of the head is 80 Armstrong. Okay, that's the inner membrane and outer membrane. And inner membrane is permeable membrane, and outer membrane contain more protein, and it also semi-permeable or selective permeable membrane. That's about two membrane and two chamber. The gap between inner membrane and outer membrane form a chamber, and inner membrane inner side form a one chamber. This between two membrane there is a gap. It is called perimitochondrial space or intermembrane space. Perimitochondrial space or intermembrane space. And inner side, this is called mitochondrial matrix. This mitochondrial matrix contain some circular DNA, protein, and some enzyme present. And ribosome also contain mitochondria. This ribosome is mitoribosome. Mitoribosome 55 is a larger subunit 35S and smaller is 25S. Mitoribosome is present, and DNA also present, and they are present ATPase enzyme which helps to formation of ATP. That's why powerhouse. And different types of enzyme present in mitochondria. The outer membrane contain one type of enzyme, fatty acid coenzyme lipase, and the inner membrane contain one enzyme, ATP synthetase, and this matrix portion contain also enzyme citrate synthetase and fumarase. This type of enzyme is present in this mitochondria, and the between two gap means inner membrane and outer membrane, this part is called S phase, and inner side of inner membrane, this is called M phase. Inner side of inner membrane is called M phase. Okay, S phase and M phase. That's about the structure of mitochondria. Then what are the function? The main function is ATP formation, because during TCA and during ETS, electron transport system, that time it more ATP formation occur here. Mitochondrium প্রচুর পরিমাণে ATP তৈরি করে। That's why it is called powerhouse, কোষের শক্তি ঘর, এই জন্যই একে বলা হয়। এছাড়া এটা কি করে? অক্সিডেশনে হেল্প করে। অক্সিডেশন মিন্স জারণে হেল্প করে। কি করে না, আমাদের বিটা হাইড্রক্সি ফ্যাটি অ্যাসিড, যেটা বিটা অক্সিডেশন যে করে ফ্যাটি অ্যাসিডের, সেটাও এই মাইটোকন্ড্রিয়াতেই হয়, বিটা অক্সিডেশন অফ ফ্যাটি অ্যাসিড। আর কি, ইট অলসো হেল্পস টু ক্যালসিয়াম স্টোরেজ, এটা ক্যালসিয়াম স্টোরেজ হিসেবেও সাহায্য করে। এখানে আরেকটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন, যে ইট ইজ এ সেমি অটোনোমাস অর্গানেল। কেন এটাকে সেমি অটোনোমাস অর্গানেল বলে? বিকজ ইট কন্টেন it contains circular DNA, and it contains different types of RNA which helps to formation of protein synthesis, and it can also divide and form more mitochondria. That's why it is called semi-autonomous cell organelles. That's about mitochondria. Okay students, if any doubt you can message me. Thank you. Okay student, thank you.